make this celebration not just ceremonial, but truly meaningful. Let it be a call to action. So let us support our farmers and fisher folks. They are the lifeblood of our food system. So they may be empowered to produce more, earn more. So ang inatang mga vegetables, the BNSS that's where they should earn by that. So hindi na kami mag-ayo, ha? 60 pesos, ang wala na madako sa plate. Hindi na pagtubangan kung gusto nyo tubangan. Bahayan, di ba isa ka plate, make it 120 kung kula. Okay? So hindi na pag-ayoon. So, we will build them to earn better and live with dignity. When we uplift them, we secure the foundation of food security in every household. And by ensuring that there is enough nutritious food on every table, we take a firm stand against malnutrition. We have ensured that no child in Iloilo grows up wasted, stunted, or suffering from the effects of hunger and undernutrition. This is our shared responsibility, and our shared opportunity to build a province where every child thrives, every family is nourished, and every community is resilient. Remember this when we nourish our land, support our farmers, and care for our children, we nourish the future of Iloilo. So, everybody, let us make a promise today. No child should go hungry, not on our watch. Not on our watch. We nourish, not in our province. So, madamong salamat, and in behalf of the Governor of the Province of Iloilo, I wish to welcome everyone. Good morning.